In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all your ex-Twitter likes. There are essentially two ways to approach this. A paid method that's faster and more automated, and a free method that takes more time but doesn't cost anything. I'll walk you through both so you can decide what works best for you. Let's start with the paid option, which uses a third-party service called TweetDelete. Open your browser and go to the TweetDelete website. This tool connects to your X account and can remove large numbers of likes much more quickly than you could do manually. On the home page, look for the button that says Sign in with X.com and click it. This will redirect you to X's authorization page. Here, X is basically asking if you're okay with TweetDelete accessing your account to manage your content. Read over the permissions carefully so you know what you're agreeing to, and if you're comfortable, click Authorize App. Once you've authorized it, you'll be taken back to TweetDelete. To delete all of your likes at once, you'll need to choose one of their premium plans. The free tier typically has limitations, so if your goal is a full cleanup in one go, this is where you pick a plan that fits your needs and complete the payment process. After that, follow their on-screen prompts to target and remove your likes. The exact interface can change over time, so just pay attention to any options that mention likes, favorites, or similar wording. Now, if you don't want to pay for a service, you can do this for free directly on X, but it will be manual. Go to X in your browser or open the app and make sure you're logged into the account whose likes you want to remove. On the left-hand side of the desktop site or in the main menu on mobile, find and click on Profile. This opens your public profile page. At the top, you'll see several tabs like Posts, Replies, and so on. Click on the Likes tab. This shows every post you've liked, starting with the most recent. To remove a like, click on the filled heart icon underneath a post. When the heart changes from filled to an outline, that like is removed. There's no bulk select here, so you'll need to repeat this for every post listed in your likes tab. Scroll down, remove the likes one by one, and keep going until you've cleared as many as you want. It's a bit repetitive, but it's completely free and gives you full control over what stays and what goes.